Introducing the Equator's ED 868 Marine Dryer, a compact, durable, and efficient laundry solution designed specifically for marine use. With a 3.1 cubic feet capacity, this vented dryer handles up to 15 pounds of laundry, making it ideal for both everyday clothing and bulky items. Built with marine-grade components, the dryer features a galvanized steel cabinet and rust-proof aluminum ducting. Its advanced features include a Sanitize cycle to kill bacteria and allergens, and sensor dry technology that stops drying at optimal moisture levels and prevents over-drying while saving energy. Use the special shoe cycle to gently dry and deodorize footwear. Choose from multiple drying programs including Eco Mode and select from 3 heat levels like high, medium, and air to suit your needs. The built-in Wrinkle Guard keeps your clothes fresh. The ED 868 dryer also features a dual lint filter reminder for easy maintenance. The stackable ED 868 is perfect for small spaces and pairs well with the Equator's EW 828 marine washer as a set. Its reversible door, touch controls, and marine-ready warranty make it easy to install, operate, and maintain. Experience the future of marine laundry care with the Equator's ED 868 marine dryer today. For more details, scan the QR code on the control panel.